My name is Christoph Müller. I'm from the Potsdam Institute for Climate Impact Research in Potsdam, Germany, and I'm coordinating the SUSTAg project that's funded by Fudge Surplus. The main topic of the project is try to understand the complexity of sustainable intensification, which has the sustainability aspect and the intensification aspect. And both of these aspects have many different topics, and some of them we can quantify, and by quantifying them we can facilitate decision making, because there's no silver bullet, and decision makers need to know what the trade-offs are, and that's what we try to quantify. Our main findings are that it is very important to look at both biophysical impacts and economic impacts, which of course is part of sustainability, and that not all the things that make sense from a biophysical side are also economically feasible, and that there are often economic or political obstacles that keep people from implementing that. And we also find that it's very important to look at different scales, because implementation of specific measures happens at local scales, at farms basically, but the framing conditions like global market prices and European policies are important frameworks that make these measures either a winner or a loser, and it's very important to keep that in a consistent framework. Well, the next step would be to improve the analysis framework in that sense that we are able to even better distinguish different management options, especially at the global scale. Of course, modeling is subject to many simplifications and assumptions, and also to improve the consistency between scales, to address the feedbacks of, let's say, the Spanish case study finds that irrigation management would improve things in a specific way, but likely they are not the only ones finding that. So that imagine that would happen all in the Mediterranean basin, and all farmers would have a different productivity and therefore a different economic success, and that would show again on markets, and that would change then the framing conditions for the local actor. And that interaction, we try to address it a little bit, but that definitely needs more attention.